February 14th, whether you have a partner or whether you don't, feel awesome because you're awesome. And you don't need someone else's presence to make you feel good enough, worthy. You don't need someone else and their presence with a CE to make you feel enough. You are enough by design, by birthright. And when we separate the presence with a TS as a measurement of our enoughness, and instead realize that it is the presence with a CE that truly help us know our enoughness, our willingness to be present with ourself in order to show up ready for that partner that just says, wow. That is what we're going to be talking about on February 16th at Unity of London. If you have a partner and want to come together to grow, then do, please. This is not just for singles. It's just there are far too many people that don't have that partner that feel they are not enough because of it, that we wanted to make sure that this message came to those who need that extra hope, that upliftment, that say, yes, you are enough. If you've already found that and want to be able to create and grow and expand and stretch together, those who grow together don't have to grow apart. We're all on our own journey. And if we are able to grow together, understanding that we are on our individual journey, but we want to continually connect along the way, you can come too. Intensati leader Joan Fernandez and I will be leading soulful seekers through a guided process to be able to call our power back to the present moment where we are able to create instead of react, realizing that the only difference in reactive and creative moments is where we put the C for creativity. Realizing that when we react or create, it's an extra E for energy that makes the difference. And once again, the placement of the C for that creativity. We have the opportunity to be creative or reactive in every moment. It's up to us how we're going to create based on how we invest our team players, that being our time, energy, effort, attention, and money. And the greatest gift that Joan and I are giving to our community is that we are making this workshop available by donation to make sure that everyone who is willing to bet on themselves to become their best is able to attend and give what they feel it's worth. Join Joan Fernandez and I as we take you through the journey to empowerment and celebrate the whole being that you are, whether you have a partner or not. Let's take our power back from the consumeristic day called February 14th is Valentine's Day. I look forward to seeing you there. Laura J. Namaste.